are in Magic Island on a Saturday. Just relaxing. So, because we are planning to take a swim, take a dip on the water after. So, this is Magic Island in Hawaii, in Ala Moana. So beautiful, isn't it? So peaceful and so relaxing. Very beautiful. Look at the blue skies above and the green trees. So nice. This is in Hawaii, in Ala Moana. They called it this Magic Island. So good, so nice. See? Look at the water, look at the beach, look at the sand. There's a lot of people from this end up to that end. There's a lot of people. Just sunbathing. So good.